When you start a new activity, the first muscles which the body uses for this activity are the slow oxidative fibers. If these are not sufficient, then other fibers can then be recruited later.
The fast oxidative fibers are the second type of muscle fiber recruited during a new activity.
Fast glycolytic fibers are the third type of muscle fiber recruited in a new activity. Fast glycolytic fibers are good at providing great bursts of energy, but only for a short duration. These fibers fatigue quickly, and I'm going to have to stop exercising now. These fibers are primarily used when lifting weights, or throwing a ball, or lifting something heavy, or other activities of short duration.
When slow oxidative fibers break down glucose using mitochondrial respiration, the byproducts are carbon dioxide and water. These do not damage the muscle cells like lactic acid would, and so therefore these muscle cells are fatigue resistant, and we use them in activities which require endurance and last a considerable amount of time.
The fast oxidative fibers can perform both glycolysis and stop there, and also continue in mitochondrial respiration. These fibers are more fatigue resistant than fast glycolytic fibers, but they fatigue more quickly than the slow oxidative fibers.
Intense workouts cause fast glycolytic fibers to increase in size. This is known as hypertrophy, as the muscle fibers make more thick and thin filaments.
The legs possess many of these fast oxidative fibers, and they are used in sprinting. Successful sprinters tend to have a greater percentage of fast oxidative fibers in their legs. Endurance exercise can modify these fibers and make them a bit more like the slow oxidative fibers.
When slow oxidative fibers are exercised in endurance activities, they do not hypertrophy and increase in width the way that fast glycolytic fibers do in weightlifting. So a long distance runner would not have incredibly bulky legs. Instead, during these endurance exercises, there are changes to the capillary beds in the muscle and improvements in the respiratory system, which will enhance the ability to deliver oxygen and glucose to these tissues rather than bulk them up.